Isa banta lang sir, kamusta po yung sa banta po sa seguridad natin sir? Sir.
We're just inaano lang namin yung aming heighten yung aming security right now because of the info that the NBI director gave the senators. So to address this, we heightened yung ating security, yung ating mga ingress saka egress will increase yung security. So far yun naman ang gagawin natin.
Pero sir, so far meron nga, may na-validate tayo.
We're working with the different law enforcement agencies. I'm working with the different intelligence community to really validate yung information.
So tomorrow sir, naglabas po si SP Pro Tempore na work from home. So mas okay yun na hakbang muna for now?
Well, yes, after assessing to protect yung candidate employees natin, if there is really a possible threat, mas maganda na siguro na work from home na lang.
Did you recommend it, sir?
I was with the meeting with them, and all the those present there suggested that gano'n na lang.
Kamusta pala yung meeting, sir? Sorry.
Na about?
Kamusta pa yung meeting? Yung ST company po.
Marami namang pinag-usapan doon, not just the security.
Ano pa, sir? Yung pwede mo share.
I can only speak
Sir,
for this.
Sir, ito yung dito dumaan yung
Yung
yung nagnakaw.